Hello guys and welcome back to another vlog. And right now this side has been filled up. Yesterday this side was not filled up. It was little big gap this morning. It's completely filled up. And right now these Tukriala are working really hard to fill up this side. But the weather doesn't look fine. You can see some dark clouds. If it rains today, then it will be a problem for them and the tractor because they will not able to bring soil to fill up all this gap. Right now they are trying to make a room for the soil because another tractor was stuck for a while that side because this side was completely filled up. And any tractor can come this up to this much only because there is a filler this side. And yesterday the one mister was saying that if tractor crossed this side it could create a crack, and it's in underground, so it will not be visible from the ground. So that's the reason. And right now I'm wondering whether to sit here or not. Weather looks fine, no sunshine, but only yesterday it was terrible. It was really hot yesterday, and today 2 days there was a continuous. There's no rain for 2 days, but then weather began to change. If it rains, then another problem. One thing is this: it will take time. It will say they will take tomorrow, but it could take another 2 days. I think tomorrow is Monday, today is Sunday, so there is a distance from there to here. That is why it is taking time. So more the further the soil is from the main side where the soil has to put, it will take more time because it's heavy plus it slows down the process, and this is the problem. We was wondering if we decided we was wondering to keep it the soil that side yesterday because this side was totally filled up, but then it will be far away if we just keep it that side. That's the reason why the mom was to told that it was just a waste of time, and so but at first when we were just to put some soil here because this ground was little bit very low, and there was where this one was completely made, and they have to drop it here because they couldn't bring it inside. You can see some mud in there, and that also that one. I don't know if you guys could see it. It's there. Like this one. I'm just pointing finger. And we'll have to seed it here because the tractor is coming non-stop. So I have to come out from home. I'm in my room. Every tractor come to right now. It's 3 tractors come. The tractor really, this guy really comes really early in the morning. He just came around like 6. I was just asleep that time. I didn't wake up, but I was not completely wake up. I was just went to washroom and came to sleep in my bed. And then tractor show up. Then I have to completely wake up and have my tea. Just completed my rendering of tomorrow's vlog, and I was just barely editing SSD block to a SD card, so that's why it took lots of time. And let's check the water. Yeah, it's still will need more time to cool down. To become cool. And right now my mom is making tea for delivery. The weather is about to rain today, I think. You can see the sky is turned dark, and that side It's little left. It was really hot today, and no mystery came because the most of the mystery went to the other news sites, and two of the mystery were supposed to come in our home became sick. They were really working hard. I stayed in the hot sun. That's the reason. Little bit left. I think they will complete it. It's almost 4 o'clock right now. And in this route, the mom was pouring water in the days when it was so hot, because so that they could walk through that. Otherwise, it could have been really hot too. It was really hot, and I think we will need also one day to fill these two up. This is almost full only. If it rains only at night, and it's okay, but if it rains, I mean, whole night, then they will not able to come tomorrow to window to fill up this. So you can see the water pipe. You can see the road. That is the road. That here, and the day because it was so hot. In the morning I was studying sociology book. It says lab is here, and I think my mom is making some design. She was telling me she's making some design. It's 11 hectare. I got confused about this one. I didn't know my mom read this one, and they are also marking it in that pillar that side there. So I asked them that how many they count as at 11, and then I count these two with this, then it comes 11, because after ending it here I came here. So that's that the tractor has come.
I know you told your friend